For over 30 years, I've worked to restore the lives of those affected by serious personal injuries. In addition to many years of trial experience, I understand the emotional needs of my clients as well as their financial needs. I've found over the years that most people do not have adequate insurance. And so I give a free service of analyzing people's insurance policies, not only their car insurance policies, but their homeowners insurance policies and any other thing like that. Because again, if you get in an accident, it's too late if you find out then you don't have adequate insurance. So anytime anyone wants me to, I'm very happy to go over insurance policies. I've been studying insurance policies for as many years as I've been a lawyer because there's so much a vital part of the accident situation. Insurance coverage is important not just to get you money. Insurance is important to protect you against financial disaster. The average emergency room visit these days goes $3,000 to $5,000, and if the policeman is that calls the accident and says it's a major trauma case, they do what's called a trauma team activation, and just that first visit can run to $30,000 or $40,000 just by itself, not to mention all the follow-up care. So if you don't have adequate insurance, you can be wiped out. And in fact, I just talked to someone a few days ago, because there wasn't insurance to cover their case, they actually lost their home and they're now homeless. And it's all because they didn't have insurance coverage to protect them. One of the common situations is that the other person's at fault and they have either no insurance or a very low policy limit, and you have a very serious accident with very serious injuries. If that happens, you have to have enough uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage of your own to protect you financially. Most people don't. And most people don't realize that for just a few dollars more a year, they could have adequate coverage. Insurance is one place where it is very, very bad to go cheap. The fallacy that most people have is when they tell their agent, I want full coverage, that the agent's going to give it to them. Full coverage is a phrase that means absolutely nothing in the insurance industry. It just means that's an excuse for the agent to make a commission without giving you what you need. That's why you need to have someone look at your policy that can tell you what you need. There's no use buying more coverage than you need and paying more than you need. On the other hand, it's horrible to be underinsured and have a serious accident. I can't tell you how many hundreds of people that I've seen over the years that didn't have enough insurance coverage, or the other person didn't have enough insurance coverage and they didn't protect themselves with uninsured motorist coverage that was adequate. So that's, talk about do's and don'ts. Insurance coverage is sort of like one of the most important things you have to pay attention to. I will work fearlessly to get you the financial compensation that you deserve and to help put your life back on track.
Experience integrity results. Visit jdzinc.com.